Hello everyone, we are now looking at Audusd because it is one of the pairs that are looking so clean right now as of current, because we are looking at this daily inversion FVG, and because there was also this daily FVG that are currently being respected, and we expect the market to move higher up to this level of 0.6629, and that is what we're expecting to happen. And obviously we have to know that we are expecting NFP this week, and you have to take care and take note of it, because this is time when whipsaws happen, and we expect the market to have some simple consolidation as the week is coming closer to Friday, because we usually have this NFP towards Friday, and this is usually the first week of the first Friday of the week of the month, sorry. So, and we are now looking at this economic calendar whereby we expect some bit of consolidation on USD CHF or CHF pairs, because it is having the CPI, and we expect some bit of consolidation starting from Wednesday to Friday, because NFP is being prepared to be released. So like we can see, November seems to be so good, because we shall have some good market conditions, especially for AU, that is our DSD. So from the daily perspective, we see some good market analysis, because if you can check on USD and other pairs, because they look so shaggy, because you can see already the USD has tapped into this daily FVG, and also this is for the IFVG, and we expect the market to come from this zone, and then we expect it to push higher. All the setups are being shown because we hit the targets, so we now have to expect the market to come and respect these zones, these levels that were taken in the previous week, because we also took some relatively equal lows, whereby we expect now the market to go for sell-side liquidity, because remember, the market is moved by liquidity, and liquidity is money, so the market goes where money is found. So now let us check for GBPUSD. GBPUSD also took its relatively equal lows, and now we expect to look for buy setups. So currently, like I told you in the beginning, I am expecting some good setups on our DSD compared to the rest of the pairs, that is GBPUSD and EURUSD, because it is already set up. So now you can see it is already testing this FVG and also this daily IFVG. So we are heading for these relatively equal highs. Okay, sorry. So these are relatively highs we are targeting, and the next target will be on this daily high. It's a long-term high, so let's wait. But our first target will be this relatively high, that is 0.6630, and obviously we shall have some good market analysis on 4H, because this is a time frame that shows some good market structure shift, and so I'm expecting the market to come by Monday and at least hit this high and break it. And also here I need to see this this bearish FVG to be disrespected, and it has turned into an IFVG. So when I talk about an IFVG, is a favorite gap that has been disrespected, and so we expect the market to come and obviously break through it, then make retest at some other time. Then from this retest, it has to continue moving to the upside. So let's wait for this, and we need to wait for our setups. And like you can see on the 15-minute time frame. Sorry, let's begin from the 1 hour time frame. Remember, the last week was also so massive, whereby we got some good trades on this pair, especially the sales. So let me first delete this, make the charts cleaner. And because this was our entry on, I think it was Thursday during the London session. So when the market was opening, because we didn't see any liquidity grabbing from the Asian high sessions, because we expect the market to first grab liquidity, because liquidity is money. So now we saw this market giving us this break of market structure shift that indicated the market that was going to sell. So the market was going bearish. So now after breaking this structure, we saw some FBG, the bearish FBG, which was also respected to maximum. So we came here in the London session, whereby we expect the market to come and grab liquidity above this level, and of which the market didn't respect, and so we had to follow what the market was showing us, and we also had to wait for bearish candlesticks to form to gain confidence for the market direction. So now our entries were taken immediately after this, after formation of this bearish candlestick, especially for these strong candlesticks, and so our SL was put at this Asian high. So now we are expecting to take out these lows. So I think this was Wednesday. So we targeted the previous day's low, and obviously we had to get a ratio of 1 to 10, and I'm sorry, it was about 1 to 9. Let me get the thing clearly. So it became 1 to 7, which was not good for our setup. So now from this level, we saw the market come into consolidation, because now the weekly target was hit and the market was getting closed. So we are heading into Friday. So now that is what happening. So but currently we expect the market to respect our targeted levels in the previous week. So now the market did all what it had to do. So now we are now on the daily time frame, whereby we expect everything we are setting to happen. So now let's wait for it. Please guys, I'm now offering another promotion on my YouTube channel, whereby I expect you to register by the link and see my broker I use, and I expect to at least give support to people, first 20 people who are going to register by the link, and have to show me proof that they have clearly registered by my link, and they should deposit at least minimum of 10 USD, and then send me a screenshot of their payment records. Then I have to add them to my Telegram channel, and I have to give them free analysis concerning this daily market conditions. So we now have to wait for our setups to pan out, especially in the 15 time frame, whereby you should take entries, and also the 1 hour time frame, depending on the market conditions, market structure. So let's wait for it to pan out. So please make sure you don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, as this will motivate me to always create some good content like this. And now we have to wait for it, but before, let me check on the XY. The XY is negative related to the GBPUSD, USD, and the EU and Euro USD. So now let's have a look. So like you can see, the XY is now also in profit taking levels, whereby it is also in this zone. So we also expect maybe for it to come and grab liquidity on this high, and then we expect some sell setups from this level. So that's what I'm talking about. We expect it to come and be grabbed from this level, then we see some sell setups panning out. Okay, so even though that doesn't happen, sometimes we expect things and they don't happen. But we also see this order block. This order block is also something that must be put into our consideration, because anything can happen from this order block, because we have many sell orders that are lying under this level. This is the order block I'm talking about. So we have to also watch for it, because we never know what is going to take place. So we might see the market falling from this zone. This level might be something great in this week. So we shall expect something like this, and also obviously we shall be targeting most of the lows and highs, especially this low, and be of great sense to us, So also is some also FPG, but is also supported by this law. So we also have liquidity that is lying below these levels, and maybe let's wait for it to come and we see what we shall do. So remember to plan for contingency, because anything can happen in these markets and we never take it for granted. So until we meet, see you soon.